I don't feel like she's mine enough.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Off-White Air Max 97 in the Menta colorway. This is by far my favorite Off-White Air Max 97 and definitely one of my favorite Off-White sneakers to have ever dropped. Unfortunately, these were a Europe exclusive sneaker, as in they never released in the US, and I was actually able to get them from someone overseas. I obviously paid a lot of money for them, but definitely wanted these sneakers, and they look even better in hand. Definitely different than most of the other Off-Whites. Really haven't seen another of these colorways on any of the other models, so really cool to pick this up. I believe prices on these will shoot up, so just glad I got them, and if you guys want them, you should get them ASAP. Super limited sneaker. I'm going to be giving a breakdown, detailed review of the sneaker. Some of the materials used and talking a little bit about it. Definitely really amazing sneaker, and let's get right into the details. Alright, so the first thing I want to start off with is the box. This has the same exact box as most of the other Off-White Nike sneakers, nothing special there. Taking a look inside the box, once again it's just the same paper that comes and the Nike logo on the red. Getting into the label of the sneaker, it says the 10 Nike Air Max 97 OG, and the official colorway on this is Off-White Menta Wolf Gray. Now this sneaker comes with this green mint like extra pair of laces. These will look really dope on it. I'm probably gonna wear it with these. Let me just show you right next to the sneaker, so definitely you guys can see some color similarities with this Nike swoosh part. So it look really nice with these ones. With all of that out of the way, let's get right into the sneaker review. So here we have them, the Off-White Menta in the Wolf Gray colorway. Now the main thing that pops out on the sneaker is obviously the multicolor swoosh going right here. So we have like a green mint-like colorway, and it transitions to blue, and then it hits off with like a pinkish red at the end. That's honestly the part of the sneaker that really caught my attention and probably why I really like it. Following the Nike swoosh, we have Air written in quotation marks in a black color. And then transitioning across the sneaker on the back, we have a gray heel tab. Nothing written there, looks really cool. And then getting to the medial side, we have all the Off-White writing. So Off-White for Nike Air Max 97. You guys a better look at the medial side. And then transitioning from the medial area back to the toe, as you guys can see, we have like a synthetic and mesh-like material going all throughout the sneaker, and we have different shades of gray going throughout it. So right here under the stitching, we have like a really dark gray, and it gets lighter, it gets darker, lighter, darker, and then we go back to the really dark gray colorway right here on the toe. And then one interesting part about the sneaker, there's like this white stitching going all throughout it. So like right here, and it continues, stitching goes all throughout the sneaker. Really cool touch, circles all the way around. And then near the tab, we see more white stitching going across. Now one really interesting thing I found on the sneaker, most of the Off-White Nikes have like an orange tab. This one has a white one. So a lot of people really don't pay attention to that, but I find that to be really cool. So covering the rest of the sneaker, right above the toe area, we have this lacing area, and then here again we have this dark gray material going throughout. And on the tongue, the laces are like embedded within this material right here. I'm not really sure what this is, but it looks really cool, and it continues all the way to the top of the tongue. Now the tongue has translucent areas on it right here, as you can see my finger through it. So that's how it looks all throughout. And at the top of the tongue, we have Nike sportswear with the orange Nike swoosh written again. And then getting right to the inside of the sneaker, once again, it just says the 10 with the Off-White arrows. So they kept that consistent as the rest of the Off-White sneakers. And then lastly, I want to get into the outsole. So we have like this grayish translucent outsole. Looks really clean. The only bad thing is it might start like changing colors because it is translucent, but at the same time, it's not white. So I don't really think that'll be a big problem, but I'm just saying. And then once again, with the outsole, we have a full-length Air Max bubble going all throughout the sneaker. So as you guys can see, circles all the way around. And lastly, we have a baby blue Off-White zip tie. So this is Off-White Nike zip tie. And let me show you guys the other pair once again. Same exact concept, nothing really different. The only difference is the placement of the Off-White. Like obviously, it's gonna look a little different from each other. But Yeah, overall really dope. I'll give you guys a closer look at this. So the 1997 has to go inside this mesh panel right here. That's just the sneakers from China. This is like a little quick tag right here. I don't think all the pairs have this, just like the ones that are from China. Once again, really disappointing these didn't come out in the US, but I guess the exclusivity makes it a little bit cooler. And let me show you guys a final 360 look at them. Alright, thank you so much for watching my review of the Off-White Air Max 97 Mentas. Once again, one of my favorite Off-White Nike sneakers to have ever dropped. Hopefully this helped you guys out, and if you guys want a pair, I would suggest picking up a pair immediately, as I do think prices will go up. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more. So once again, this was the Off-White Air Max 97 Menta. Stay tuned for further reviews I'll be doing on sneakers, and with that said, thank you for watching, and until next time.